And this is the LSD-73 kit. I've already put one together. These are of course, the parts for it. The resistors, LED with a bunch of caps, power plug, little IC circuit in there. Anyway, everybody's seen soldering before, and it gets a little boring and tedious, like watching it. Everybody just skips through it anyway. So, I'll just bring in the old finished product here. Give her the old power supply and the little power pack here. And stuff it together. And that's what we got going there. Isn't that pretty? Oh yeah. Had that on a tree last year. It looked pretty cool. Little potentiometer in there to adjust the speed. But that's a good speed. Anyway, if you always wondered what that kit did, that's what it does. See you later.